Continue. Hello, police. What happened to you?
I was hated by a large number of people because I'm a policeman of the town, and it's India, and I am a British. And one day, a guy had been killed by this mad elephant. He was lying with his head toothed on one side, his eyes wide open, and I felt terrified. As soon as I saw this dead man, I sent an orderly to orderly friend house nearby, near this, and to borrow an elephant rifle. And then I told myself I had to kill this mad elephant, but when I saw it, it was eating bamboo calmly. A dilemma. I didn't know what to do, but at the moment there were 2,000 people at least, and they were growing every minute. I look at the sea of yellow face, all happy and excited, and they want to me kill the elephant, but actually I don't want to kill it. Lastly, I killed this elephant, but I feel very good.
Oh, sounds great. So,
Sounds great.
Sorry, it sounds bad. So, what's your opinion after this accident?
I feel good for this elephant. Actually, when I saw this elephant and this elephant is come down, I don't need to kill this elephant, but there are 2,000 people want to kill this elephant, and they are excited.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. So, okay, next one. Hello, ladies. Hello, lady. What's your opinion?
I cannot believe that animal killed people in the bazaar.
Yeah.
He looked so tired. He was tearing up branches of glass, beating them against his neck to clean them and stuffing them into his mouth.
Yes.
I think he shouldn't be shot. It's too cruel. He has calmed down. He gets mad maybe because he want to revenge people. People torture him to make him do things he don't want to do. So I don't think it's a good idea. But 2,000 people stand around me. They want him to be killed. So I can't do anything. I just see he was killed, and I feel very bad.
Yeah. From your words, I can feel innocent, and you're a very kind woman. So I'm sad about this elephant. I think you agree with me.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much. Next one. Hello.
Hello.
What's your opinion of this accident?
Personally, I think the police should shot the elephants, because the elephants, when you meet in a situation, you will find the elephant is angry and you cannot control his behavior. If the police won't shoot him on time, he will hurt more the people. And above all, the elephant has killed one person. So I think shoot him is best choice. And although the elephant is precious animals, but from my perspective, to police should be protect the people. It's his responsibility. So I think the shoot at the angry elephant at that time is a wise choice.
Well, sounds great. So, by the way, do you like animals?
Yes, I like animals, but when these things happens, if it's me, if I was policeman, I will kill him.
Yeah, I agree with you.
Okay,
So, okay, thank you very much.
you're welcome.
Well, hello everyone. Our group's opinion is to kill the elephant because it do harms to people. Although it is really cruel to animals, but it's reasonable. So our suggestion is we should use drugs instead of shooting them. That's a good way to protect people and animals. Thank you very much.